Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with explosive moves. I'm Mitchell, and today we're breaking down AMC Robotics Corporation, ticker AMCI, a company developing AI enabled robotics and smart security solutions with a focus on warehouse automation and intelligent systems. Fresh off a SPAC merger completed last week, trading began on NASDAQ December 10th under the AMCI ticker. After an initial post debut pullback to lows around $2.70, shares are erupting today, December 15th, up over 132% intraday on massive volume, hitting highs above $8, driven by rebounding AI robotics sector momentum and retail investor buzz. This volatility highlights the high risk, high reward nature of recent de-SPAC plays in hot tech spaces. Is this surge sustainable or a momentum trade? Share your thoughts. Buy the breakout, hold, or caution. Like for more volatile stock alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. We'll see you in the next one.